Works Connection, KTM, and Husqvarna Elite axle blocks are a great upgrade for your bike. Here's a quick look at everything you get in this great new product from Works Connection. The kit will come with a pair of CNC'd axle blocks, a titanium drive side receiver, and a square removal nut. The Elite axle block kit converts your stock KTM or Husqvarna axle from a fixed design like this into a floating design like this. Factory KTM and Husqvarna use this similar floating type design on their race team bikes to improve traction as well as straight line stability. And now those same benefits are available in this kit for you. Another key component is the integrated receiver post on each axle block that allows you to use calipers to precisely measure and match the left and right axle block's position. This assures exact alignment of the chain and sprocket, so critical to prolong chain and sprocket life. An ultra slim design, simple installation, and offered in a wide variety of colors. Anodized color choices include blue, red, black, orange, and silver. Manufactured with tighter tolerances in the OEM parts. Reversible design to keep your axle adjustment bolts from extending beyond their service range. Laser engraved with the WC logo, and the patent is pending on these. For more information how you convert this onto your stock axle like this, watch our install video at worksconnection.com. Works Connection new titanium chain adjuster bolt kit with 12mm head nuts will complement this Elite axle block kit. It is sold separately and available from worksconnection.com. That's a look at what you get with the Works Connection Elite axle block kit for your KTM and Husqvarna motorcycle. Of course, made in the USA. Check out worksconnection.com or your local dealer for more information.